understand inequality symbols. We're just going to talk through what they are and what they mean. So first, basically when we're talking about inequality, we're talking about things that are not equal. So we might say greater than, less than, or not equal to. We have three options for inequalities. Okay, so first let's talk about less than, and I want to talk about each one of these individually. Less than means, like, we could say 2 is less than 4. Some people call it the crocodile, and that means the opening is always going to face the bigger number, right? Because the crocodile eats the bigger number. Okay, so in this case, we say less than because the first number is less than the second number. So we would say 5 is less than 10. Again, you see crocodile is eating the bigger number. First number is small, so 5 is less than 10. Let's go to greater than. Well, now you can see the crocodile is facing left. That means the bigger number is going to come first. So 14 is greater than 3. Crocodile eats the big number. So 14 is greater than 3. Let's do one more. Let's say 22 is greater than 10. Crocodile always eats the bigger number. So if the bigger number is first, we say greater than, because 22 is greater than 10. If the bigger number is second, we would say 2 is less than 4. The last one is not equal to. And this is, we generally use this if we're saying like x is not equal to 4. Because we don't usually say 3 is not equal to 4. Well, we know that. We would say 3 is less than 4, right? Those are both correct, but we try to be as specific as possible. So if we would say x is not 4, that means x could be anything else but just not 4. So this is the idea of not equal to. Simply means two numbers are not the same. Now, let's compare using inequality symbols. So we're going to compare 3 and 6. Well, we notice that 6 is the bigger number. That means the crocodile should eat the bigger number. And 3, so 3 is less than 6, right? Because the smaller number comes first. Crocodile eats the bigger number. 3 is less than 6. We're going to compare 8 and 4. Well, 8 here is the bigger number. So we want the crocodile to eat the bigger number. So we would say 8, it's bigger, so 8 is greater than 4. Part of it is just using what you know, right? I know that 8 is bigger than 4, so I would say 8 is greater than 4. Remember, crocodile eats the bigger number. And when do we see the not equal to? We see this generally when we're comparing an unknown value. So I could say, what's my age? And I could say, well, my age is not 41 and my age is not 39 because my age is 40, right? But we generally use the not equal to when we're talking about an unknown value and when we know it does not equal a certain item. So that's playing with some inequality symbols.